Okay, so this next thing, you can see it's Lateefa. It's a Lateefa, and we're gonna see. I've never gotten any jewelry before, so I figured, hey, let's see what the jewelry stuff looks like from Amazon. And from the Lateefa, and let's see, it has Lateefa jewelry. Oop, and it fell off. Let's see what it looks like here. So this is the little heart with the initial on it. And you can see, let me get closer here. You can use the clip and clip it on, I guess, to make it whatever size you want, if you want to make it shorter or longer based on that little thing there. And there is the little heart. And I don't know if it focuses in. Boy, it's not focusing too good, but you get the idea. There it is. So that's it. So it's a little gold-plated one. It wasn't terribly expensive, but it was really cute. So we'll see if it goes over well. Oh, I had it backwards. There it is. You can probably see the letter on it there. Got an E, because I'm giving this to a woman who has a child named Ethan. See, it's actually my mom's initial too, E for Eileen. So there we go. So this is it. It looks pretty durable. I think it's gonna stay very good, and it's nice because the heart the clasp won't ever come around because it's attached to the chain. So you're not gonna be sitting there with the clasp next to the heart. It's a nice little necklace. I'm surprised.